How to use a Tell a Friend script to drive traffic today. More and more webmasters have the recurring dilemma on how to increase the flow of traffic in the websites. During the past few years, many methods that been developed to solve this predicament. While most of them would work, there are those that would not make even a small impact. One of the methods that have spawned many success stories in driving traffic into websites is viral marketing. Viral marketing makes use of the tendency of a person to share something to find informative, entertaining, or amazing. Many companies bank on this behavior to spread their products and increase the popularity of their company or their website. Viral marketing makes use of many mediums in enticing this behavior. It might be in the form of an interesting story, an addicting flash game, an amusing video, and many others that may catch a person's fancy. This ingenious form of marketing is typically low cost and is a wonderful tool for any company to utilize. The benefit greatly overshadows the cost or efforts to initialize this marketing scheme. Any website would greatly benefit that viral marketing. Tell a Friend script. One of the easiest methods in viral marketing is using a Tell a Friend script. This is a simple programming script that you can attach to the programming of your website. Generally, Tell a Friend script are installed in pages where a media is placed so that a person can easily send the media to any of his friends or his family members. The basic concept of a Tell a Friend script is a script wherein a person may input his name, email address, the recipient's email address, and send the media to the intended recipient, much like an email with an attachment. As the recipient receives the email, he wouldn't think of the mail as spam mail because he would see the sender's name as someone he or she knows and trust. Tell a Friend script eliminates greatly the chances of being blocked because they use the information inputted by the sender. This allows for wider spreading of this marketing method. It can be quite sneaky, but it is very effective. With the email sent and opened, the sent media will either be read, viewed, or played. Also, along with the mail would be a brief description of the company or site that sponsors the media sent. This allows for the introduction of either the site, company name, or its products. Along with it is another Tell a Friend script. Then the process begins again. As more people use the Tell a Friend script, more and more people will know of the existence of the sponsoring company or site. People who read the ads inside the mail who liked what they see would go and click on the link and visit the site. This drives traffic into the site, resulting to great number of potential customers. Tell a Friend script availability. A Tell a Friend script is very simple and does not require a complicated method of programming. In fact, you can copy-paste a script and simply put it on an intended page. Finding one is even simpler. All you have to do is go to a search engine and type in the search box Tell a Friend script, then press enter or click go. In the search results page, you will see many links that will direct you to a site where you can get a Tell a Friend script. It would just be a simple matter of looking and searching for the script and copying it to your intended web page. With a Tell a Friend script viral marketing strategy, you can drive traffic into your site, which could potentially spell profits. This is a simple, harmless script that offers great benefits for low cost paired with great creativity and foresight. It is imperative that you have patience in using a Tell a Friend script. If your chosen media doesn't get the mileage that is expected of it, it may take some time before it gets spread or shared. But surely many people will see your ads and there is great probability that they will visit your site, increasing your traffic flow.